Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to save income tax in India. And if your CTC is up to 9 lakh, then I'll show you how you can manage to pay zero tax. And when I say zero tax, I mean doing it legally. So if you really want to save some money, your hard-earned money, then please watch the video till the end. Let's go to Excel and explore some numbers.
So now in this Excel, if you see on the top, I have the tax rules from 0 to 2.5 lakh, it is zero tax. 2.5 till 5 lakh, it is 5% tax. 5 till 7.5, 20%. Okay, 5 till 10 lakh, it is 20%, and above 10 lakh, it is 13%. Now in the new tax scheme, it is a little different, but in this scheme, you cannot claim any investment. So I won't go into this. Basically, I'll stick to existing tax scheme. So now if you see from 2.5 till 5 lakh, it comes to 12,500, and we get 12,500 tax rebate if your taxable salary is below 5 lakh. So maybe quickly in Google, I can show you what it is. So let's see tax rebate. So if you see this, you can claim the said rebate, which is like 12,500 if your total income after all the deductions does not exceed 5 lakh in a financial year. Okay, so if your income is 5 lakh, the tax comes to 12,500 and you can claim as a rebate. So rebate amount you get is 12,500. Say your income is 4 lakh 50,000, right? So your taxable income is um, 2 lakh 50,000 till 4 lakh 50,000. So 2 lakh. Out of 2 lakh, your tax comes as 5% of 2 lakh, which is 10,000. So rebate you will get is 10,000. Okay. So so our objective would be to make the taxable income below 5 lakh so that we don't have to pay tax. If you see these examples, example 1, 2, and 3, the CTC are 9 lakh, 8.75, and 8.5 lakh. Okay. So for the first example, here I have considered LTA, okay, 40,000, and no any NPS contribution. So other investment like ATC, I mean, eh, basically you'll do, and then HRA for the house rent that you pay. Okay, I'm not going into the details of each section, assuming that you are aware of ATC. If not, I'll make a separate video of the details of each tax sections. But here I have considered ATC. You have already claimed 1,50,000, which is basically this component plus the employee PF. So these two together makes 1,50,000. And we have HRA for the house rent. Um, Considering 10,000 per month rent, it comes to 93,000 for this 9 lakh CTC. Now here if you see the taxable salary, right, which is like your CTC minus the total investment. The taxable salary is 5 lakh 19,000. So the tax payable, which will be using these calculations, using these percentages, like um, right. So these tax calculations, this tax amount, tax payable will come to 16,300. Okay, so if you go with these, you have to pay 16,300. Now, if you saw some smartness, so here if you see everything, I kept the same, right? Everything remains the same for the investment except this one, row number 22. So here I have done 19,000 of NPS contribution, right? So with 19,000 NPS contribution, the total investment increases, and then the taxable salary comes down to 5 lakh, right? So because taxable salary is 5 lakh, our tax payable is 12,500, which will get as a rebate, right? If it doesn't exceed 5 lakh in a financial year, so our taxable salary is 5 lakh, I'm getting 12,500 as a rebate, right? So here if you see, the net tax payable is 0. Okay, so 16,300 rupees you were paying as tax. Now if you add some amount from your pocket, right, or from the salary, so basically 19,000, if you invest 6,300, plus 2700, right? So just by investing 2700, you are doing 19,000 of investment in NPS. So this is the clever way of saving tax, right? So if you go to example 2, so here say we are not doing any LTA, right? We might not have LTA. LTA basically we get only twice in 4 years block. So if you are not sure about the LTA calendar block, you can Google it. So there is basically 4 years block where you can claim 2 LT, and there are so many other rules applicable. So here I have considered that we are not claiming any LTA, right? So if you go by this rule, okay, there is no any NPS investment or no donation. Okay, so maybe donation is not needed. So I might delete it, or for now I'll just hide it. So if you see here, the taxable salary is 5,34,000. Okay, so 19,330 rupees comes as tax payable. And if you do some NPS contribution, this of 35,000, right? Again, you don't have to pay any tax. Okay, so by doing some investment, we are not only saving a lot of taxes, but also doing some investment, which will be a lot of money in future. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching it.